Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you are watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video I will tell you that how to know someone blocked you on WhatsApp. How you can know that the next person is blocked you, and you can know without texting the next person, without any extra software, without anything. And the second thing, I will let you know how you can remove the blue tick in your WhatsApp. So let's start our video. Go to WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp and I will click here on three dots. I will go to the settings. You can see setting and account. I will go to the account and privacy. Here, if I scroll down, you will see read receipts. If turned off, you won't send or receive read received. This, if you will like this, switch off this option, it means your blue tick in the WhatsApp is removed. It will not show, but I have switched this read receipt again. And the next thing, how you can know that someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. Let me send a message. This is okay. Hello, done, and see. And now I'm sending text to. I have sent message to my other WhatsApp number. Two WhatsApp number. One is saved by the name of Hanan and second one is Tech with Hanan. Let me reply from both of them so you will know how to respond. And see, now you got the message reply from Hanan, and let me reply from another number which is Tech with Hanan. Here you can see I got the reply from both these numbers here. Now I am blocking this number from Tech with Hanan. Let me block from Hanan, so it will be a DP will be removed, so you will know better and it will be a much more easy to understand. Block. Here you can see profile picture is showing and it's online. Let me block. And yes, see, I have blocked this number from other WhatsApp. Now if I will see, let me send a message. It's only a warning, but without texting, how to know that Hanan has blocked? Go to these dots and new group. After new group, you will click, you will select the participants. Let me select Tech with Hanan and Hanan. I'm creating a new group and I'm adding these members. Okay, I have selected the contacts. Now I will go next. Let me I am testing this, so I will name this group. Done. I will click on OK. Creating a group. Couldn't add Hanan. You will see. Let me show you again. I will go this add participants. Hanan. You can see already added in the group, but Hanan blocked me. I'm adding couldn't add Hanan because if someone is blocked you on WhatsApp, you can't add the other person in the group. So here you can know that this person has blocked you. Now I'm unblocking and let me add again, so it will be confirmed. Okay, now I have unblocked and I'm going to the testing group. Let me go down and add participants. Here you can see my profile picture is showing now and I'm adding now. See, it's added. So if someone has blocked you, you can add try to create a group with him. If he has blocked you, it will be unable to create a group. You will be unable to add the other person in the group. So this was the trick that you can know how someone blocked you on WhatsApp and you can know without texting him, without downloading any extra software. This was today's video. I will keep you updated. I will share more tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.